They got a donut boat. It's the new thing for 2 hours, 180. You can go crazy. It looks fun. This is a donut boat. Let's show the donut boat to everybody. Little donut boat. Oh, that's pretty fun. Get a little shade. Rented little cars and cruise around Tempe Lake. There's a lot here to do. If you're just bored, you want to ride a bird, just be safe, you can go everywhere. Let's go check out this side now. Ring your bell, guys. Be polite. Oh, I just be smooth with it. Just be smooth with it. There's a whole bunch of, there's all types of people, and not everybody knows what little scooters are. Look at these little duckies though. Rubber ducky. You're doing rubber ducky. Look at this one. Oh man, look, no one want to hang out with him. That ain't right. Cause you look different. I like you, dog. Look, everybody just chilling together with their homies, and this one just right here by himself. He just drinking this clean water. You go, do what you gotta do. Nice day. Come out here and just ride your bird. Pretty nice during the day. Even nicer at night. Oh, look at all the birds. I think they're all birds. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's pretty awesome. That's a lot of birds. And look, they got those big ones in the middle. What? It's amazing. I think they're just getting some sun. It's warming up. It's a nice day. That's what I say. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, but there's a lot of stuff to do over here. Oh, look, they got some art up there. You guys want to see it? I'll show you it. So when you ride the scooter, just make sure you always have your freaking hand on the brake, because you definitely can get hurt. You definitely don't want to get hurt. Oh god, oh, just like that. Oh my god, we're gonna die. We're gonna die. But there's all types of stuff up here to do. The whole museum. That's pretty nice. Wow. That looks nice. But everything's closed. It's all locked up.
I'm wandering and then making it to the bridge.
Nice, beautiful day. Nice little fountain thing they got going on here. And then let's go over to the bridge. It's just a nice place to go for a walk. You feel me? Let's go. Benches everywhere. You can just get a bench. Get a bench. Wow, look at all the little birdies. Look at those look like military guns there. But they're not. Now we're on the bridge. You can really see all those birds and the people riding the boats. It's fun to ride the boats. It's just really, I wouldn't recommend touching the water. The water lava, guys. That's what you guys have to say. Oh God, watch out, because this guy's really exercising and we're just riding scooters with our laces. So, like, I'm from Chicago, so in Chicago the weather's definitely not this nice at this time of the year, you know. So I appreciate this weather. Yeah, have a good day, boss. Everybody out here with their camera. Yes, sir. Just living. There's a whole nother, oh look, I got like a whole Valentine's Day thing. That's pretty dope. That's amazing. Let's go this way. So this side over here is relax with the bridge. Whole nother area for people to go through. People out here studying and just living. Oh look, somebody rented the boat. They said they want to go on the donut boat. Oh, they're taking pictures on the donut boat. I like that. Everybody has a YouTube channel now, I guess. But mine is just about living. Just living. What you doing today? Just living. Just living. Everybody out here on picnic. That's pretty cool. Pretty amazing. Gotta watch out because this thing really does go fast. It's like at 20 now, 21. Yeah, about 20 miles per hour here. So you guys gotta be careful. This is the other side of Tempe town, like, it's pretty amazing. They got a pool. Nice place to go. All types of people here. If you want to meet new people, I'm sure they're here. Oh, look at the doggy. There's doggies, everybody exercising, everybody just living. So come check it out. It's in the middle. Everything in Arizona is so close. It's just one of the great parks. They have a couple great ones, but this is like my favorite because, you know, there's just always people living, and then they just make you remind yourself, like, I gotta be living. Mountain fitness, mountainside fitness, man. I do not know how to read. Public service announcement. Y'all want to teach me how to read? I appreciate that. Wow, that's a nice building. They got all types of nice little mirror windows and stuff, but that's pretty much it. There's nothing over there, but it's a great place if you want to exercise. It's pretty long, and then I'm pretty sure you can go on the other side. Stay tuned for the next episode. We'll go on the other side. And I've never really been on the other side of this lake, but there's parking over there, so there's a lot of stuff over there. I think that's like a park too. Another park. Don't ride your scooter there. It's probably not safe. Over now.